Well, guys, it's another day, and I bring to you this massive opportunity, guys. This is mind-blowing tool. So, this is a very powerful tool that you can use to replicate any faceless YouTube video. And by the grace of God, I've been able to replicate this particular tool to make any kind of faceless viral video that you see. You can make your own type of video that you want, or you can use to copy any viral faceless YouTube video. So guys, I don't want to talk much. Okay, before I show you around this particular tool, let me quickly show you one or two videos that I've been able to make with this tool. Then we get back. When we get back, then we continue.
Ever feel like you're running a race where the finish line keeps moving further away? That's the poverty trap. You work hard, but every time you get a few extra dollars, some emergency hits, a car repair, a medical bill, and you're right back at zero. It's brutal, and honestly, it's designed to keep you stuck. So how do you actually break out? You've got to stop playing defense. Most people in this position are so busy putting out fires that they never build a buffer. I'm talking about a tiny emergency fund. Even $50 saved in a separate account changes your mindset from surviving to planning. Next, look for small, high-value skills you can learn for free online.
You know, sometimes we, as Christians, we kind of fall into these habits, these behaviors that just feel normal, like everyone's doing it, right? So it must be okay. But here's the kicker. A lot of what we just kind of shrug off, the Bible actually calls out like big time. And it's not always the obvious stuff. It's these subtle things that creep in. And honestly, they can mess with our faith way more than we realize. So, you might be thinking, what could I possibly be doing that's that bad? Well, get ready, because we're going to talk about 6 behaviors many of us accept. But the Bible says, hold up, no way. First up, and this one is a classic, it's gossip. We all do it.
Well, guys, so as you can see yourself, nobody should tell you that this particular tool is mind-blowing. And one particular cool thing about this tool is the thumbnail maker. That is even the one that blows my mind of, okay, guys, one key element about your YouTube success is the thumbnail. That's something that you have to take notice of. So once you get the thumbnail wrong, it's going to affect your CTR, and gradually your video is going to die out. So thumbnail is very, very important, and that is one thing that this particular tool is going to lift the heavy load for you guys. It is so mind-blowing. So quickly, let me show you some of the thumbnails that I've been able to use this particular tool to make, and you can also use to copy the style of your competitor's thumbnail. This kind of click-worthy thumbnails, you can use it to replicate the same style of thumbnail, and it's going to make those thumbnails for you. So let me show you guys. So just see for yourself. Just see the kind of high quality thumbnail. This is the kind of click-worthy thumbnail that can increase your CTR. You can see for yourself. This is massive. This is massive. This is massive, guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you around, okay, but before I show you how to use my tool, okay, let me compare it with the original one that I copied from. Okay, so this is the original tool that I made a prototype of. I got the idea from here, and it's very simple. Okay, so once you see a viral faceless video on YouTube, you just copy the link, you come and paste it over here, you generate the video ideas. It's going to analyze the video and get you similar video ideas in the same niche, and so this is where I got the idea. But I want you to check something over here. Okay, so let's check the pricing over here, so that you know that this kind of tools is not a joke. See, $79. This is even the first time discount that they give you, which is 20% off, and you are spending $79 for just 5-minute video. is mind-blowing. This really costs a lot. Okay, you are spending $79 for 5 minutes video, and if you want to create more videos, you have to buy a lot of credit. Let's check this one too. Let's check this one too, so that you know that the one that I've built, which you are not going to spend anything making the videos, that is a game changer for you, and that is an opportunity for you to save a lot of money and make a lot of money in return from YouTube. So just see for yourself. This is just a starter plan, which is 149. It's going to get you like few minute videos, just imagine. And the pro plan is 499. We have premium 1199. And when you check the amount of videos that you are going to get from this, it's just funny. It's just funny. And I understand them because this the models that they are using, it's really cost. Okay, it really costs you. Sometimes you're going to get like maybe roughly 20 videos, 15 videos, 5 videos. But guys, you don't have to worry because I have I spent about 2 weeks in making the prototype of this one, making sure that we are going to cut all this cost off. Okay, so this is the prototype one that I made. So the only difference here is that, okay, if you are spending 10 minutes on those platforms in making the video, because you are going to get all the images, the animations, voiceover and everything done for you. Okay, so the only difference is that over here is going to build the prompt engine for you. Okay, so everything is about prompt. Okay, so it's going to build the prompt engine for you. So the difference between the two is that the original platform, they use the prompt engine, everything to generate the images, generate the videos and everything for you, and they are using paid APIs for that, but we are using free APIs. So that's why this one, it generates the prompt engine for you. So all that you have to do is you just copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. So if you are spending like 10 minutes on that platform, you spend like 30 minutes over here, which is fair deal. Okay, you are having the same result that you are getting on the platform. You are having the same result over here. And I showed you the videos that I use this one to make, and you can testify yourself that it's the same result that we are getting. Okay, the only difference is that you are investing a little time over here and you are doing everything completely free. So let me show you around how to access this tool. Very simple. So let's say you have found a particular viral faceless video on YouTube and you want to replicate. Okay, so let me use this particular one as an example. Okay, so let's say we want to replicate this particular
A few
video. Okay,
minutes, then wondered, is this even enough for God to move? Maybe life feels too busy, too loud, too
let's say we
overwhelming.
want to replicate this particular video. Okay, so we'll copy the video link. Okay, just copy the video link and go to the app, paste it right here, then hit on synthesize. And as you can see, it's going to fetch the video and analyze it and get us the video ideas from the same topic. Okay, so let me check the topic. It's not going to copy exactly the same thing. It's going to make it similar, so you stand out unique. So you shouldn't do exactly the same kind of topic, okay, but it can be similar. So this one, if you only have 5 words for God, say this. Okay, if you only have 60 seconds to hear God, listen to this, blah blah. So you can just go through and pick the one that you think is cool for you, or you can regenerate it to get a new set of video ideas around the same topic. Let me check this one. If you have 1 minute with God, expect this to happen. Okay, so let me just make a video out of this one. So once you think it's cool for you, just hit on make video, and you can make video from 1 minute to 15 minutes maximum. Okay, so for the purpose of this one, which is test. Okay, so that's the script that has been generated for me, and the next thing is for us to generate the scenes. Okay, so proceed to scenes, and over here you can include the stuff that you want to include. Okay, so I don't want background music, but let's say even sound effect is not necessary, but you can just leave it like that. And over here you pick the uh, video animation model that you want to use. Let's say if you want to use VO3, if or let's say any video platform that have like 8 seconds, or let's say 5 seconds video time, you can just choose the VO3. Okay, so I have been using Sora because I want 10 seconds. I want to make 10 seconds for each scene. Okay, you can make kind of art you want to use. So we already have some art already here for you that you can pick from, which are really cool. Okay, but let's say you want to copy the exact same art of the competitor. Okay, so you choose custom, then you upload the competitor's image. Okay, the competitor's image. Okay, so we are going to take a screenshot from the competitor's video. Okay, let me see.
And your time was
So let
gone.
me just shift it to where I think the scene is cool. Okay, so let me pick this one, take a screenshot of this particular shot. Okay, take a screenshot and upload a screenshot here. Then I hit on this button, compile video prompt. So it's going to detect the style of art and it's going to use the same style of art for the prompt. So as you can see, the style of art has been detected. So we have to wait for the prompt. The art that has been built for you. Okay, so what you have to do is copy, paste, copy, paste. So every segment and the script audio, you just copy the script audio, you generate the voice over. Then here are the image prompt, and every image prompt and the animation prompt for you to animate the image to video. Okay, so let me copy this one as an example. Let's try and see if it's going to give us the exact um, art style just like the competitors on. Wow, guys, you can see for yourself exactly the same art, guys. This is mind blowing. Okay, so when you check the competitors phone, right, normally they don't even animate
Message,
this
you'll
style of
know how
art.
to turn a few
They just
minutes into a
use
moment that
maybe
strengthens your
zoom
spirit,
effect
clears your
to zoom in
mind,
the
and
image.
invites
Okay,
God's
but you
presence.
can make your own more engaging, even though these are engaging already, but you can make your own more engaging. So as you can see the video that I showed you, I animated some of the images. So you can animate some of the images and you can just leave some and use zoom effect to zoom in your video editor, which is CapCut or any video editor that you've been using for editing. Okay, so let me show you around with the thumbnail maker so that we make our click-worthy thumbnail for this particular video. So the first thing that we are going to do is to make the default thumbnail from the script itself. Then I'm also going to copy the style of the competitor so that we can compare the two thumbnails. Okay, so first of all, let's do the default one. Okay, so let me copy, generate the thumbnail, see the kind of thumbnail that is going to give us. Okay, and let me also take the style of the competitor and generate the similar one. Okay, so let me check this style too. Wow, guys, wow, just imagine. Let's check the competitor style and see. Wow, so that is the competitor style of thumbnail. Okay, you can see exactly the same thing. If you only have 1 minute with God, expect this to happen. So guys, this is mind blowing. This is mind blowing. So guys, as you can see, this particular tool is very powerful. You can make any video. You can just copy any competitor, make their kind of viral video without cracking your brains. This is just mind blowing. And this particular tool, you can buy it from me just for one time price and you use it forever on your PC. You don't have to pay for any subscription. You can see I compared it with the original source and you can see how much they are paying for just 5 minutes video. So this is an opportunity and this is worth thousands of dollars, but I am selling it for just a one-time $89. Guys, this is a big time opportunity for you. You can have it and you host it locally on your PC and use it for life. And this is an open source for you. So once you have it, becomes an open source for you and you can just commercialize it yourself. And maybe if you are good in programming, then you can build something great out of this and you can make it commercial so that you sell it yourself to and make a lot of money aside you making your videos and making money from YouTube. You can also, commercialize this one and make money out of this. Okay, so this is a big time opportunity, guys.